And this is a question coming in from Rakesh, and he's asking what should be done for the short term. Should it be picked up? It's currently up as much as 10% in trade today.
Yes, Alex. So, in fact, we have seen a fresh breakout today. The stock has been hovering in a band for almost 6 months now, that 420 to 340. And finally, we have seen the breakout with strong volumes, almost 5 times of the average volume, and the stock is trading at record highs. So everything looks positive. You should definitely hold. You should one can look for fresh longs also. 410 is now the area where one should maintain the stop, and based on the consolidation range closer to around 465 to 470, that should be our immediate target.
All right. The next counter we're talking about is Polycab. This one's from Sri Kishore Sharma from Bihar. They say they bought the shares at around 4,700 rupees. Shahina, I'm going to come to you on this one. Hopefully the regulatory action on this counter is behind us now, and considerable upside also here from the buy price. But from a fundamental point of view, how do you see this counter performing in the longer term?
Well, I think, after the income tax department raid, the stock had seen a substantial correction. But from there on, again, it's bounced back. I think the fundamentals are in place. And I think the revenue growth also is likely to be strong. And we are likely to see margins also improving. So it's a hold from here on. Definitely, you can keep a stop loss. You keep a stop loss of close to about 5,000 rupees.
Fair point. BF Investments, wondering if you have a view, Shahina. We've got Satya who's asking about this particular counter. He's looking for a fundamental view. It's currently trading at 582 or thereabouts and up about 1% in trade.
Yeah, you can continue to hold BF Investments from current levels also. It's looking good both in terms of fundamentals as well as technicals. So you can hold it, and you can keep a stop loss of close to about, you can keep stop loss at about 500 rupees, which is a deep stop loss.
All right. Now this question is picking two stocks from a medium-term perspective. This one's from Jay Krishnan from Kozhikode, and the couple of stocks that they've named are Bajaj Auto, Tata Power, Tejas, and Balaji Mines. Ajit, if you have to pick two out of these 4 stocks, which one would it be?
So all these stocks, they have already done pretty well. In fact, now we are seeing a bit of a breather in Bajaj Auto. So comparatively, Tata Motors look, better among these names, wherein we may see fresh traction coming in days to come. So definitely, you can hold your longs. You can buy fresh also with 975 being the stop and 1,050, 1,060 being the target area. Tejas Network, we have already seen a very sharp surge in the this week so far. Is up nearly 34%, despite the 2 days of pause or consolidation. If you have an existing position, you may continue to hold with the trailing stop at 950. But for fresh buying, I feel that one should wait and let the stock consolidate or witness a dip around 980 to 1,000 zone. Then one should look for fresh longs. Otherwise, one can refrain from accumulating at current levels.
Okay, fair point. That's a point. That's a view on Tejas. And by the way, the stock has been on a bit of a tear in the recent past. It is losing a little bit of steam right now. But we have to slip into a very quick break. We'll be back on the other side to take more of your questions, so do stay tuned.